Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in a new style. Yeah, lead a club with a few now. Just some Hollywood girls and they do chill. I'm drunk in the mood now. 2 a.m. What you wanna do now?
Good day, we are Group Push A. The purpose of the following experiments that will be shown is to know which toothpaste is much more optimizable as a second option for bleaching stains in cloth. This experiment will teach us how to mix two solutions in order to build a new homemade cleaning solution. So without further ado, I therefore present the chemists together with their experiments in the group.
So the first step in this experiment is you need to get the pea size of ketchup and put it in the cloth. You have to spread it evenly so it will make a stain. After spreading it, you need to leave it for a whole day. So for the next step, you need to get 20 pea sizes of toothpaste and mix it with 50 ml of vinegar. So after drying the ketchup stain for a whole day, this is what it looks like. So the next step is to soak it in the vinegar solution that we made earlier. We are going to leave it there for a whole hour. So after soaking the ketchup stain in the vinegar solution after 1 hour, this was the result. It had changed in color and it is now lighter. After I soaked it in the vinegar solution with Colgate, it became lighter in color.
For step 1, we will put 1 pea-sized ketchup stain on the cloth. We now have to wait for 1 whole day for the stain to dry. After waiting for 1 whole day, we now have to mix the solution. First, we have to get 20 pea-sized Happy toothpaste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then put 50 milliliters of vinegar. And put it around. The mix never goes. We now have to soak the cloth into the solution for 1 whole hour. And let us wait for the results. After soaking it inside the mixture for almost 1 hour, we can see that the stain is almost gone. It is not completely gone, but it lightened very much.
For the first part of the experiment, we need to gather these certain materials. A white piece of cloth and some banana ketchup. For the banana ketchup, we need to gather or at least get a 1 pea sized dollop. Around this much and spread it against the white cloth, creating a stain. And it should look like this, and leave it for at least 1 day. For the second part of this experiment, we need these certain materials. 2 cups of 50 ml of vinegar with a total of 100 ml, 20 pea sizes of toothpaste with a total of 40 pea sizes, branded by Sensodyne, and 2 different handkerchiefs or white pieces of cloth, one with the stain and one clean. After gathering these materials, we need to stir the vinegar and the toothpaste, creating a solution. After stirring both solutions, make sure to soak each cloth in the solution. And it should look like this. After soaking these, wait for at least 1 hour and see the results. For the last part of the experiment, we will see the results. So we will gather the 2 setups and look at the results. For the first setup, which contains the white piece of cloth, which is clean, so this is what it looks like. And for the second setup, which contains the banana ketchup stain in the white cloth, this is what it looks like. So as we can see, the stain has looked a bit clear. However, some parts of it remain red.
In our investigatory project, we went with the category of cleanliness, economical, and friendly by utilizing solutions that can barely harm a human, especially the environment. We used these 2 solutions for improvised cleaning. As for our group, we chose toothpaste and vinegar by reading researches and articles regarding their ingredients and reading some blogs regarding their effectiveness. We also tried it if it can really bleach the stain. The group conducted the experiment on 3 brands of toothpaste, testing their concentrations and of course their common denominator, sodium fluoride. In these experiments, we have variables. The independent variable is the brands of toothpaste. It is the one who plays the major part on the solution, and it is the item that the chemists manipulate in order to check its effects on other variables. Then we have the dependent variables, which is the vinegar or acetic acid and ketchup. The vinegar is dependent on the toothpaste, for there will be no reaction or changes if the toothpaste will not be added on the vinegar, whilst for the ketchup, it is dependent on the mixture of 2 solutions because there will be no bleaching or reaction between the 2 variables, which is our experiment. The constant variables are the measurement of toothpaste, which is 5 grams to all, 50 ml is the amount of vinegar, and 1 pea size of ketchup is equal to 0.25 grams.